I keep thanking God so much because of you. Do not give up to be with us. Like at this time of a fellowship. And also this morning hours of prayers. I pray for your special blessing. This morning we received the word of prophecy which will move in the day. And also we sing one song in the hymn book. It is always a special time. We thank God for all of you who writes in the comments. All of you keep on sharing the videos. All of you who are working with us in this work of God. All of you who loves the work of God. People who supports it. God bless you. Let's thank God. Our Lord Jesus. We receive your mercy. We receive your powers in this morning. Do a mighty work. May you manifest. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's
start. Let's start as usual. Let's start with that song which is saying that I've seen a good lover. And shortly I'll come with the word, we pray in it, and Jesus will do a mighty work.
Amen. Male cri des âmes les mando la kotika ya zanma. Bonyo
kuzimiza yarangunze namuzi yafatishi umugozi ariko rukudogwe izungu izizaneye kubibata yegose enuwena wenuwane kugesite kadyose izungu izizaneye kubibata yegose kuzimisa kera yaramfiriye aranguse arangusa amubugi nawe yaranyihaye none ibintu mfite byose ntabwo nkibikundira ibyo ntunze ibyo umucunguzi none ibintu mfite byose ntabwo nkibikundira ibyo ntunze nanjuga n'iby'uwo mucunguzi
nabonye kuzimi
byose arabishobora
ajyandinda kagakose unzirija kumuhanga masiteka bizankizi intege nke cy'ubwoba shirute yumanzata
kumanga kumuhanga masiteka izanyisi negege shirugowa shirute yumanzata
Shalom bashimire mwese abo turi kumwe.
Let me thank you so much. People are together with us.
Shira ubwoba, shira ubutenyuma zatabaruka.
May the fear end and also getting scared, then later be rescued. This is a song of testimonies of a Christian who is saying that I have seen a good lover. And you also can you sing it and tell I've got a good lover. Jesus is a good lover. Let's read the word we find in the Acts of Apostles, chapter 12, verse 16.
Biravuga ngo ariko Petero akomeza gukomanga bakinguye basanga ari we koko barumirwa. Amen.
Let's read Acts of Apostles chapter 12 verse 16. The word says, meanwhile Peter kept on knocking. At least they opened the door and they saw him. They were amazed. Amen.
Ariko Petero akomeza gukomanga.
Meanwhile Peter continued knocking.
Iyi nkuru ya Petero turayizi.
The story of Peter, we know it.
Ubwo yafungwaga na Herod.
When he got prisoned by Herod.
Herod ngo yafashe cyangwa se yinjwemo n'umwuka kugira nabi abo mwitorero.
Herod got a wicked heart of hurting the church people.
Yica Yohana.
And he killed John.
Warangije yongeza na Petero.
Then after he also imprisoned Peter.
Abigishwa bona birakomeye.
And the disciples saw it was hard.
Bajya mu masengesho.
And they went into prayers.
Bajya mu cyumba barifungirana.
They went in the room and closed themselves in.
Binginga Imana.
And they interceded to God.
Batabaza Imana.
And they called upon God.
Kugira ngo Imana ikore igitangaza.
So that God can do a miracle.
Natwe turi mu masengesho.
Even as we are in the prayers.
Kugira ngo Imana ikore igitangaza.
So that God do a miracle.
Ubutabazi bwa.
And the rescue.
Bahamagaraga.
They were calling upon.
Bwari ubwo kujya kubohora Petero.
It was to set Peter free.
Imana ifite inzira zirenga ibihumbi.
God is having more than 1,000 ways.
Imana yacu irakomeye.
Our God is so great.
Umutwe w'ijambo uravuga ngo igitangaza cyawe cyahageze.
And the topic of the word is saying that your miracle has come.
Nibwo buhanuzi mfite muri kino gitondo.
That's the prophecy I have this morning.
Igitangaza cyawe.
Your miracle.
Igitangaza cyawe.
Your miracle.
Igitangaza cyawe.
Your miracle
cyahageze.
has arrived.
Biravuga ngo muri uwo mwanya barasenga.
The Bible is saying at that time they prayed.
Bingingira Petero.
And they pleaded God for Peter.
Bave muri gereza.
He may come out of the prison.
Barasenga.
They prayed.
Baringinga.
And interceded.
Barasenga.
They prayed.
Baringinga.
And interceded.
Amasengesho abagera ku Mana.
And their prayers reached God.
Ngo Imana ihereza marayika wayo.
That God sent his angel.
Ajya kubohora Petero.
Went to set free Peter.
Aho yari abohewe.
Where he was imprisoned.
Amusangayo.
He found him there.
Ngo avane imyururu ku maboko ye.
That he untied the chains out of his arms.
Ngo avane imyururu ku maguru ye.
And also took off the chains out of the legs and set him free.
Ikintu gitangaje ngo bakomeje gusenga.
Something which is amazing that they continue to pray.
Basengera Petero.
Prayed for Peter.
Kuko batari bagize yerekwa.
Because they had not got a vision.
Ngo bagire ubuhanuzi.
And they get a prophecy.
Babwira ko amasengesho yabo yasubijwe.
Which tells them that their prayers are answered.
Bijya bibaho abantu bagasubizwa ntibabimenye.
It happens sometimes people get answered and they do not know it.
Ugasanga uracyasengera bya byifuzo bya kera.
And you find you're still praying for your last prayers.
Kumbe Imana yamaze gusubiza kera.
And yet God has already answered you.
Ugasanga urakingingira bya bindi.
And you find you're still interceding for your things.
Abigishwa
and the disciples,
barasubijwe ariko ntibamenya ko basubijwe.
They got answered but they did not understand that they already answered.
Nje kubwira umuntu muri kino gitondo ngo nubwo utari wamenye ko wasubijwe ngo Imana yagusubije.
I've come to tell people that even if you didn't know that you were answered, but God has already answered you. They continue to call upon the powers to set Peter free. But yet Peter was already free. You too, Jesus has already set you free. They interceded that Peter may get out of the prison. The word is saying that morning, at that moment when they were praying, God did a miracle. And Peter got out of prison. That Peter got out.
asohoka yari afungiye
He went out of the prison.
aho nari ngenera aho ngaho
That's why I wanted there.
16
Around 16 there.
15 ngo arakomanga
That he knocked.
umugaragu wabo ngo ageze ngo arinda reba ngo arebe ukomanzi
And their servant went to check who is knocking.
ngo asanga ni Petero
And found it was Peter.
ngo arababwira ngo Petero yafunguwe
And he told them that Peter is already here.
icyo basengeraga
And that's what they were praying for.
Petero yafunguwe
Peter is out of prison.
babyumve
For them to get it.
baba ngo asanga ari marayika we ntabwo ari Petero
And they said maybe that's the angel of Peter, not Peter.
nyamara Petero yafunguwe
And he told them that Peter is out of prison.
ijambo twasomye ryatubwiye ngo
The word we have read has told us
Petero akomeza gukomanga
that Peter continued to knock.
bagire basanga niwe koko
And when he reached on the door, they saw he was the
hari
one.
ibyo Imana yakubwiye
That what God told you
mu nzozi
in the dreams,
hari ubuhanuzi wakiriye
there are prophecies you received,
urabwumva
and you listened to
ariko
it,
ntubushyikire neza
but you never reached it.
ukumva bisa naho atari byo
And you feel like as if they're not real things.
ngufitiye ubuhanuzi
Prophecy for you,
uva ngo response yako imefika
which is saying that your answer has come,
jibu lako imefika
your answer has arrived,
igisubizo cyawe cyahageze
your answer has arrived.
mwami Yesu aragusubije
The Lord Jesus has answered you.
mwami Yesu arakumviye
Lord Jesus has listened to you.
bradize lema
Hallelujah.
makatokeze lemai
Hallelujah.
recrede baya anisbe
Hallelujah.
maikride bonisi devon
Amen.
maiwige enima
Hallelujah.
imbaraga z'Uwiteka
The powers of the Lord,
amavuta y'Uwiteka
the anointing of God,
Uwiteka arakumviye
the Lord has listened to you.
Uwiteka aragusuye
The Lord has visited you.
Uwiteka yumviye gusenga
The Lord
kwawe
has listened to your prayers.
mu izina rya
In
Yesu
Jesus' name,
amen
amen.
reka wakire iryo jambo
Receive this word
ushima Imana
and let's thank God
kumviye
because He has listened to you,
turongera nimugoroba
and we are together in the
mu
evening
masengesho
in the use of prayers.
avuga ngo bye bye
Let me say bye bye to you.